Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to modify photo upload quality in WhatsApp on Android. By default, WhatsApp compresses photos before uploading them to save on data usage, but you can change this to upload photos at their best quality. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to modify photo upload quality in WhatsApp on Android. Step 1. Open WhatsApp first. Open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Step 2. Go to Settings next. Tap on the three dots menu located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Access storage and data. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Storage and Data option. Tap on it to access the storage and data settings. Step 4. Go to Media Upload. Quality in the storage and data settings, scroll down to find the Media Upload Quality option. Tap on it to access the Media Upload Quality settings. Step 5. Modify Photo. Upload Quality under the Media. Upload Quality settings, you'll see the Photo Upload Quality option. Tap on it to access the different quality options. You can select Best Quality to upload photos at their highest quality, Auto to upload photos at a suitable quality, or Data Saver to compress photos to save on data usage. And that's it. You have successfully modified photo upload quality in WhatsApp on your Android phone. Keep in mind that uploading photos at their best quality may take longer and use more data. If you're concerned about data usage, selecting the Data Saver option will compress photos to save on data usage. In conclusion, modifying photo upload quality in WhatsApp on Android is a quick and easy process that can help you improve the quality of your photos. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.